In Linda's lab, their research requires a steady supply of hydrogen gas for their gas chromatography system. Linda is looking for an alternative to gas cylinders that is safe, economical, convenient, and environmentally friendly. She's considering purchasing a hydrogen gas generator for her lab, but must determine how it stacks up against the gas cylinders she currently uses. In terms of safety, gas cylinders are heavy and cumbersome to transport because they contain gases under high pressure. Cylinders that are dropped or strike hard surfaces could explode, endangering laboratory staff. Look out, Lenny! And leaked hydrogen gas from the cylinder could spontaneously ignite, potentially causing a fire. The hydrogen gas generator, on the other hand, stores a low volume of gas at low pressure, so if damage occurs, minimal gas will get released. Generators can also be programmed to shut down if there is a deviation from standard operation. Gas cylinders are also inconvenient. They must be monitored to make sure they don't run out of gas in the middle of an important experiment. With heavy gas usage, cylinders require frequent changeover, which is labor-intensive, and many large cylinders take up valuable workspace. Having an on-site hydrogen gas generator saves labor, time, and space. With gas cylinders, the costs can quickly rack up as they are subject to delivery charges, pallet rental costs, maintenance fees, energy and fuel surcharges, and unpredictable price increases. While a hydrogen gas generator may have a higher upfront cost, it will quickly pay for itself and save your lab money in the long run. Reliance on gas cylinders is harmful to the environment. Not only do the compression and purification of gas require a lot of energy, but cylinders must be transported by truck, often over long distances. A hydrogen gas generator is a more energy-efficient choice. No deliveries or collections are required, and all they require is a supply of electricity and deionized water to produce high-purity gas. Linda can see that gas generators offer clear benefits in terms of safety, convenience, cost, and the environment. But knowing that there are numerous other labs in her facility running gas chromatography systems as well, she wonders if there is an on-site hydrogen gas solution that they could all benefit from. With a quick online search, Linda discovers the Proton OnSite Hydrogen Lab Server, a large hydrogen generator that can serve multiple laboratories and applications from a single source. She shares the benefits of purchasing with her lab manager buddies. The lab server is more economically viable than having each lab purchase their own small generator. There are many options available, from units that produce 4.8 liters per minute to ones that produce over 18.8 liters per minute of hydrogen at greater than 99.9999% purity. Having a single unit also means a reduction in maintenance. With these considerations, along with all of the other benefits of a gas generator, the lab managers agree that a Proton OnSite hydrogen lab server is the best way to serve all of their hydrogen needs. Lab Manager. When we talk science, we mean business. Brought to you by Proton OnSite.